Hey y'all, it's Janay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you guys with another tutorial and we are going to be working on some pole dance tricks and transitions. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Kelsey. I'm a pole dancer and pole instructor. I talk about all things pole on my channel. I give you guys tips, tricks, tutorials, and pretty much whatever else I feel like. But today I wanted to come and show you guys some of my favorite tricks and how I combine them and use different transitions to spice up my pole dancing. So if you are a beginner, this is perfect for you. If you're an intermediate pole dancer, it just gives you something else to work on. But the first thing I like to do is warm up my body. So you see me doing some low flow around the pole, just walking around the pole, doing a couple pirouettes just to get my body nice and warm. And then once I'm done with my low flow warm up, I like to go in with a full body warm up and stretch. So this isn't my full warm up routine. If you do want to follow along, I do have a 10-minute full body warm up that I use anytime I'm getting ready to pole dance or teach my pole dance classes. So I will leave that linked right here if you would like to follow along with my warm up, or you can do your own, whatever feels good to you. But it's very important to always warm up no matter what before you do any type of pole dancing to prepare your muscles for the workout ahead. So I'm gonna finish stretching, get my push-ups in, sit-ups in, all that good stuff, and then we will jump into the tutorial. Alright, so jumping right in, this is the full combo that we're going to be working on. We're starting with our fairy spin. So the inside hand is up nice and high, inside foot takes a step, and then you're going to grab the pole across your chest, and that outside foot is going to come around to hook in front of the pole. The opposite leg pushes back. From here, that back leg's going to swing around so that we can come around the pole, extend our leg and roll to our stomach, and then push back onto your knees. So let's try it again. Taking a step, the outside ankle hooks the front of the pole, opposite leg pushes back, the back leg swings in front, so the opposite leg can come up and around the pole to roll to your stomach and push back to your knees. So try doing this a couple times and make sure you're doing both sides. So do it starting with your right hand on the pole and then do it again starting with your left hand on the pole. Now getting into the second part of this combo, which is the spin to stand transition. So we're actually going to be spinning from the floor to stand up. So let's break it down. You're going to start with that inside forearm pressing into the pole. Then the outside hand is going to come up and pull down on the pole. We're going to reach out with that outside leg, and then when you're ready, we're actually going to make a big circle to whip it around, to come to our feet, to stand up. Now, I'm not even going to hold you. This is the more difficult part of this combo and it's going to take a lot of practice. But the point in this is to figure out how to shift your weight to be able to flow seamlessly from one trick to the next to create that seamless transition. So take as much time as you need practicing this part and how to whip your body around. Make sure that forearm is pressing into the pole, make sure that top hand is pulling down on the pole, and make sure you are using your legs to whip your body around to stand up. Again, it's going to take a lot of practice, but eventually your body will flow into it. Alright, now let's try this combo on both sides. You're going to start with a pole walk, taking 3 steps, starting with the inside foot to go straight into your fairy spin. Then once you get to the floor, whip that leg around so that you can come up and around the pole, onto your stomach, push back to your knees, and then prep for your spin to stand. Boom. As soon as you get around, stand up, switch hands, and try the entire combo again on the opposite side. Now, for those of you who want more of a challenge, try doing this with one hand. Alright y'all, so that is the entire combo, so go ahead and take some time to play around with it. Try doing it on both sides. If you want to try doing it with one hand, do that. If you want to try to add some other things in there, some other spins you've learned or other tricks you've learned, go ahead, add that in there, play around, and see what you come up with. Alright y'all, that is going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and comment down below if you would like to see more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you would like to, you can also join me on Patreon for bonus content and tutorials. And until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye!